Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Claude in PowerPoint in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you just have to simply open the PowerPoint application on your device. Now, when you opened it, you just have to simply look for the option of home. By default, you are on the home section, but sometimes this add-in section is available here in the insert tab. So you just have to simply look for the add-ins section, then click on it, and now you just have to use the search bar and search for Claude. Now when you're able to find Claude in this list, simply click on the option of add, and when you add it, you can just simply wait for some time until it is added over here on the top right hand corner. Now you can select Claude application or extension over here on the top right hand corner. Then you can sign up here by providing these particular codes. So it is going to basically redirect you inside your web browser, where you just have to click on the option of connect, and you need to connect your Claude AI account with your Microsoft 365 account. Now for any reason, if you are not able to connect it, you need to basically update or upgrade your PowerPoint to the latest applications by Microsoft, because that way the integration will be more suitable. So that's how you can use it. Thank you.